wait to show you how it looks. So it actually comes in this amazing, cute little traveling case that fits really neatly in a carry-on, so you can easily take it on your travels. So we got some brochures, benefits of the Lumebox, and thank you note. We're so excited for you to experience all the benefits of red light therapy. You can scan it to get some tips on routines from Dr. Biff. Here's a user manual and guide so you can get all the details on the different wavelengths, operation, and how to use it safely. What's really amazing about this device is FDA cleared Class 2 device, so that's actually very unique on the market. Here is a little Lumebox quick guide. Here's the Lumebox. It's really sturdy, it looks super high quality, beautiful design, very minimal and sleek. The logo here, and it has 15 LEDs, so that's actually pretty good for a portable device. It has high irradiance, so this is what we preferred when we were choosing which devices we're gonna test. So here's the power button. When you press it once, it's switching in between the different modes that I'm going to explain in a minute, and there's also the battery indicator that just shows you how far you're in your use and when it needs to be charged. Let's see. We pressed once, and right now it's set on red and near infrared spectrum, and it's combining the two, so you're getting both the red light therapy as well as the near infrared. The near infrared wavelength is invisible. I'm going to show you actually how it looks because you'll be able to see it on camera, but it's not visible with bare eye. And what I actually prefer using is red and near infrared together. This is my favorite option, and it serves both the surface level and deeper tissue like muscles and joints. For example, for recovery, if you're using it after training, as well as the surface layer of skin for any sort of eczema, surface level issues that you might have. Some people say it helps them with longevity, but I'll leave it up to you to experience it and tell me in the comments what you think if you're seeing any difference. The blue light indicators, again, just the battery life. And here's a charging port. Straightforward, you can see the adapter. And this is where you plug it in. And we also have goggles. This is really important if you're gonna use Lumebox directly facing your eyes. It's recommended to use goggles. If you're using it, for example, for your lower back or back parts of your body where your eyes are not directly affected, it may be okay to not use it. But again, read the manual and use your own common sense before you start using Lumebox. And what's super exciting is also this little minimal handle that comes in this box, and it's very easy. You just screw it on. It serves perfectly just to hold it to different parts of your body while you're sitting on the couch or in bed if you don't want to use the stand. I'm also going to show you the stand. The Lumebox stand is an add-on, so it doesn't come in this package. It comes separately. I would say it's worth it. And it's extra $59, and it's incredibly sturdy, high quality. You can extend it. Also, the angle goes up to 45 degrees. So again, you can adjust the Lumebox, different parts of your body. And it comes in this beautiful, neat bag that I actually really appreciate from a design standpoint. It's really beautiful. You can put it in your gym bag, or when you're traveling, there's also this little case. So that's about a stand. Pricing wise, Lumebox comes to $629, and you can get $260 off with our discount code through the link in the description, and the discount will be automatically applied at checkout. So it saves you over 40%, and that's a really nice chunk of money if you're choosing to invest in this beautiful little helper. And I personally use Lumebox mainly for muscle recovery, and also when I'm not able to access direct sunlight in the wintertime. And I help my cells to generate energy in those months with the help of the red light therapy. And Lumebox is just incredible because of the portability. I love the design. I think it's really worth it. And what I also really like is the versatility. You know, if you want to use it on different parts of your body, this is easy with the handle, with the stand, even actually without the handle if you want it. It's pretty easy to just hold it with your hand. One more thing I want to mention is the built-in timer. When you're in session, you turn it on. It's going to take 12 minutes to run the session, and it's gonna let you know halfway through after 6 minutes that you're in the middle of your session by beeping once, and after 12 minutes by completing the cycle by beeping twice. Then there's going to be 2 green lights to let you know that it's cooling down for about 3 minutes. So it's not going to let you use it when it's cooling down. So this is amazing for safety. So yeah guys, those are thoughts on Lumebox, red light therapy, cute portable design. We really recommend it at RCC. We love it. And like I said, it's something that you're probably going to use every day. So if you found this video helpful, you can hit the subscribe button and get notified when we release a new video. We're doing wellness unboxing videos every 2 weeks, and we're trying to curate conscious products from brands we think we're doing business in the new paradigm way or have the intention of transformation, healing. So we're really excited to bring you more products and show you how they work. And we're so grateful for your support. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and see you next time.